श्लोकाः अस्तु।
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वतः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सहना भवतु सगनो भुनक्तु सग वीर्यं करवावहै तेजो शिव
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु
तेजस्विना
अवधीतमस्तु
अवधिमस्तु
मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
हरिः ओम्।
अस्तु, सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। Are there any questions from last class or about the homework? Astu, Meera Mahoday, your team was going to do the skit, right? Are you ready?
Can we take it up next week, Mahodaya?
अस्तु, चिन्ता मास्तु, एवं कर्तुं शक्यते।
Yeah. Thank you.
अस्तु,
धन्यवादः।
अस्तु। Any questions from about the homework? Any questions from the last class? Any doubts? Everything clear?
Homework was good.
अस्तु।
7-8 classes, but still okay. 7-8.
Bhanu Mahodaya, Viraj here.
वदतु महोदय।
In the Napumsakalinga, Pratama Vibhakti, when we have to make Vakya, right? So that's a bit tricky, right? Like making the Napumsakalinga as the Kartrupada.
Bhavan kim likhati? What did you write?
I just wrote Etat Palam, like that, simple thing.
फलमत्र अस्ति, फलस्य वर्ण न फलमत्र अस्ति, फलं तत्र अस्ति, something like that is simple.
Yeah. Even saying phalam maduram asti also is okay, right?
फलं मधुरम् अस्ति, फलं रक्तवर्णेन अस्ति, सेबफलं रक्तवर्णेन अस्ति, मन्दिरं तत्र अस्ति.
Yeah.
We can substitute other Napumsakalinga forms also. That just not phalam. Just not phalam.
उदाहरणं ददातु.
Mandiram, pustakam. Even I did for Sita also. Akaranta Strilinga also. I changed the.
Is that helpful, Viraj Mahodaya?
Yes, I was just thinking whether we should, means generally there is one more form of using it, right? That passive voice and.
That is more advanced. We will learn it next year.
Dhanyawad.
For now, it is just a revision of everything that we have learned so that we don't forget. That's the idea. We are introducing one new concept in each class, right? So we don't want students forgetting out. अस्तु, अद्यतन कक्षा आरम्भं कुर्मः। Can everybody see my screen? It should say Kasmai. Does it say that?
Kasmai, yes. Kasmai ekvachane.
So far we have learned about Prathama Vibhakti, Ramaha. Karta, Ramaha. Karma, Usha Mahodaya. Can you remind us all the different forms of Rama Shabda that we learned? Unmute, कृत्वा unmute करोतु.
के कर्ता एकवचन रामः
Let's do ekavachana only. Let's do ekavachana only.
एकवचन. So कर्ता रामः, कर्मा रामं. The third one is kena, ramena. Then the sixth one is ramasya. The seventh one is rame.
Rame. So Rama is karta, Rama is karma, by Rama, with Rama, of Rama or Ramas, and then in Rama or on Rama. So we learned these different forms. Today we are going to learn for Rama, for somebody. अस्तु, विजयसुन्दर महोदय कृपया पठतु.
दर्शु
जननी बालकाय दुग्धम् आनयति.
जननी बालकाय दुग्धम् आनयति. So जननी mother, बालकाय this dugdham milk, anayati brings. We saw all of these. The new form that we are saying is balakaya. So we know balakaha. So the form that we are learning today is for the boy, for balaka. So for Pumlinga, it will be balakaya. So balakaha, balakaya. अस्तु, अनुपमा महोदय कृपया द्वितीयं वाक्यं पठतु.
शबरी रामय फलं ददाति.
एतत् पदं पुनः पठतु. रीड दिस अगेन.
रामाय.
सम्पूर्णवाक्यं.
शबरी रामाय फलं ददाति.
फलं.
फलं ददाति.
शबरी, we know Shabari, Phalam we know, Dadati gives. So Ramaya, for Rama. So Ramaha Ramaya, Balakaha Balakaya. Ramu Mahodaya, Trutiyam Vakyam Patatu.
धनिकः भिक्षुकाय नाणकं यच्छति.
धनिकः भिक्षुकाय नाणकं यच्छति. We know Dhanikaha. We know Nanakam, we learned that. Yachati, I think this is the first time we are seeing this word. Yachati is a another word for dadati.
Dadati.
We would have seen yachati, right? Yachakaha.
Yachakaha.
Who is a yachakaha?
Bhikari.
Bhikari. One who takes. So the opposite of that is yachati, one who the act of giving. So yachati is the same as dadati. It's a different meaning, different word. So dhanikaha bhikshukaya nanakam yachati. Dhanikaha bhikshukaya nanakam dadati. Same thing. So bhikshukaha becomes bhikshukaya. Balakaha balakaya, Ramaha Ramaya, Bhikshukah Bhikshukaya. धन्यवादः रामो महोदय. Balakaha balakaya, Ramaha Ramaya, Bhikshukah Bhikshukah.
Bhanu Mahodaya, this is Prashant. Could you can we see the last sentence which we did? Is the rich person gives a coin for the beggar, like he's giving to someone else, or
correct, good question.
Hindi it will be like the rich person, like जो धनिक है वो निर्धन को या फिर भिखारी को होगा या के लिए इसमें?
So in Sanskrita it will be for. के लिए. In Hindi, if you do not को but के लिए. भिक्षुक के लिए धनिक कॉइन देता है, whatever. So it's a good point. So whenever you see dadati or yachati, the recipient of that action always will be in the for form. Bhikshukaya, Ramaya, Balakaya. Please underline this, highlight it in red, put a star next to it, whatever. So this is different in Sanskrit. It's not to the beggar or to Rama, but for. So whenever you see a Dana Kriya, whenever one person is giving to the second person, the person who is receiving it, who is the recipient of the Dana Kriya, will always be in this form, Ramaya, Bhikshukaya, for the second person.
Okay, thank you.
In Telugu also, actually, it will be for only. In Hindi, you can use tu or Bhikshuk ko or Bhikshuk ke liye, but in Telugu, it will be similar to Sanskrita for Rama. Other languages, I'm not sure. People who with other mother tongues, if you want to say something, please do.
Yeah, in Gujarati also it will be two beggar or two Rama, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tamil it will be Ramanukaga. Ramanukaga.
So is that like for Rama or to Rama?
For Rama. For Rama.
Okay. Kannada, Marathi, Malayalam.
Kannada may be Ramanigoskara or Ramanigagi.
Can you say what is that in English for us, for non-Kannada speakers? Will it be like for or to?
Ramanige is two. Ramanige will be two. To Rama.
So is there a form in Kannada?
Ramanigoskara will be for, right?
Ramanigoskara will be for.
Yeah.
So are both of them valid?
Yeah.
Normally Ramanige is used. Ramanigoskara hana de kottanu. I don't know. Normally we use Ramanige hana kottanu.
Correct. Yeah, it's more simple. Yes, correct. Ramanige, right.
Hanikanu Ramanige hana kottanu.
So, Bhanumadaya, here also Shabari Ramaya Palam Dadati. If you actually look at the English translation, it could also be Shabari gives the fruit to Rama.
To Rama, yes.
So correct. That's the point I'm trying to make. In English and in some Indian languages, it will be to. But in Sanskrita, when person A gives to person B, the person B will always have the form of for person B, not to person B.
Yeah.
Yes. In Marathi, even I think there are both the forms.
No, in Marathi it would be two, right?
Two and even Rama la dile आणि रामासाठी.
शबरीने फळ दिले रामाला. Right?
दिली would be two, right?
हा, फळ दिली would be two.
Two आणि रामासाठी would be for. शबरीने रामासाठी फळ दिली.
That would be for.
Both the forms are make sense. Two and four.
So in some Bharatiya Bhashas, it's explicitly for. In other Bharatiya Bhashas, it's both for and to. And in some other Bhashas, it is only to, which is good. But remember, in Sanskrita, it is when one person is giving it to the other person, the recipient will always be in the for form. If you write to, it will be wrong.
Anu Mohdaya, in Sanskrit, how will you say to Rama? Or
it will be for Mahodaya, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but if I want to say to, is it, that form is not there, you're saying?
No, I'm not saying that. Ramaha gruham gacchati. Rama goes to the house. Gruham gacchati. Karma form. Like that. So when you have Dana Kriya, then you have to use Ramaya. But when you have to want to say to, when you want to use to, gruham gacchati, use the karma.
So here maybe it can be for the sake of.
Okay, you can think about it that way also.
Most of
Mother
our
brings
mantras-
milk for the sake of the boy.
Sorry. Viraj here also. So just some of them, our mantras are this way, right? Narayanaya Namaha, Shivaya Namaha.
That's a good point. So, Dadati.
That will be in the fourth case.
Dadati, Dana Kriya will take this form. Namaha will also take this form. We will study about Namaha in the next class. So, whenever you have Namaha, it will be Ramaya Namaha, Shivaya Namaha, Krishnaya Namaha. Not Krishna Namaha.
And I think Swasti also, no, Mahodaya? Swasti also. Swasti Prajabhyaha. That also is same form, I think, no?
Swasti Vishaya aham na janami Mahodaya.
Yeah, I think it's the plural form of the same, this thing. Prajabhyaha is the plural form of the same fourth vibhakti. For vibhakti.
So, Swasti for somebody.
Swasti Prajabhyaha also takes the same form.
Right. So you are trying to convey Swasti for somebody. Is that what you are trying to say?
Swasti for all.
Ramebhyaha.
No, that's not Panchabi. It is Chaturthi only.
Chaturthi also, yeah.
Chaturthi only.
Plural. Bahuvachana is.
Astu. We will see all those special forms later. Let us not get too deep before we learn this topic. But here, are there any questions? Okay. Let us do an abhyasa. Sri Vidya Mahodaya.
Ramaha Bharathaya Padukaha Dadati.
Uttamam. Ramaha Bharataya Padukaha Dadati. What does that mean?
Rama gave the Padukas for Bharata.
Gave
yeah, but Dadati, Dadati is
Vartamana.
Presented?
Vartamana.
Present, he presents.
He gives.
Gives.
Vartamana.
Gives.
Yeah.
Rama gives Paduka for Bharata.
Uttamam. Shekhar Mahodaya. शेखर महोदय अस्ति वा? नास्ति। अस्तु। रीना महोदय। रीना महोदय अस्ति वा? I thought I saw her. You are on mute, Reena Mahodaya. Astu. Viraj Mahodaya, please do the next one.
Grahakah Apanikaya Dhanam Yachati. Grahakah Apanikaya Dhanam Yachati. What does that mean? The buyer gives money for with the buyer. So
Apanika, what is Apanika?
Apanika is a seller or some
shopkeeper.
So
Dhanam Yachati.
Customer is giving money for shopkeeper.
For the shopkeeper. Astu. Chaitra Mahodaya.
Aham Janakaya Jalam Anayami.
Aham Janakaya Jalam Anayami. Arthaha kaha?
I brought water for my father.
Brought bhutakalam.
I carried anayami. I bring. Sorry, I bring. Yeah, it's bring. Vartamana kala. I bring water for my father.
We haven't studied bhutakala yet.
Mahodaya.
Chinta mastu. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Bhavati. Bhavati bhikshukaya annam dadatu.
उत्तमं भवती भिक्षुकाय अन्नं ददातु. अर्थः कः?
The lady is giving bhiksha to food to the bhikshuk, beggar. Or
dadatu. What form is this, Mahodaya?
Oh, sorry. Give. So Bhavati give food to the bhikshuk.
You are addressing a woman and you are saying, you please give annam to the bhikshuka.
Bhikshuks. Sorry.
Chinta mastu. Hemanti Mahodaya.
Balika janakaya jalam. No, that's anayami. Balika janakaya aushadam yachati.
We have
Balika gives medicine for father. Gives
Bhutakalam. Why is everybody using Bhutakala to the past tense?
No, it's Balika is giving medicine for father or to father. Okay.
For father or for the Vruddha. Either one is fine.
Either one is fine.
Reena Mahodaya, are you able to speak now?
Yes, I am able.
Vadatu, last one.
Vetyah Rugna Rugnaya Upanetram dadati.
Fine. Here Aushadam would have been better, but that's fine. That was the only remaining sentence. Vaidyaha Rugnaya Upanetram dadati. What is the meaning, Mahodaya?
Doctor gives Upanetram. So it is
glasses, eyeglass.
Yes. Yes. Gives specs to the Rugnaya.
Who is the Rugna? Patient. Astu, Uttama. Prashnaha santi va? Any questions?
Bhanu Mahodaya. Grahakaha is not Grahakaha.
Grahakaha is a buyer.
Customer.
Oh, okay.
Grahakaha apanikaya dhanam yachati. The buyer gives money for the
shopkeeper. Thank you. Dhanyawada.
So apanika is shopkeeper.
Apanikaya for the shopkeeper. Apanika is a shopkeeper. Apanikaya will be for the shopkeeper.
Bhanu, on that now, if the same sentence, Grahakaha Apanikaya Dhanam Yachati, and we want to add for fruits also, like, so we'll say Falaya, Apanikaya Falaya Dhanam Yachati.
Phalam is an Napumsakalinga. We haven't studied it, but yes, that is correct.
It will be the same, like you said, Navid. That's why I couldn't come up with a.
Astu. If you remembered what I said, that is good. Apanika, Grahakaha, Apanikaya, Sampurna Vakyam Vadatu Mahodaya, Phalaya Dhanam Yachati.
Yeah.
For fruit. Astu. Samyak.
Bhanu Mahodaya, here everything is giving. All the Dadati, Anaya.
Anayati brings.
So that means everything is for. Like here it meant. Is for Bhikshuk, for Vruddha.
Correct. So the point we are trying to reinforce here is the dadati yachati, the dana kriya, whenever you encounter a dana kriya and you find a recipient, then you have to use the bhikshukaya, ramaya, dhanikaya, the for form. That is the point we are trying to emphasize. This is a special rule or case or form in Sanskrit. So underline it, mark it in red, put a star next to it, however you mark your important thing. Whenever there is a dana kriya, you have to use this form. Astu, agre saramaha. So like always, let us next look at the question form. How do you ask for whom it was done? Right? Sukanya Mahoday, please read this.
Janani kasmai dugdham anayati. Janani balakaya dugdham anayati.
So you want
mother,
to try.
For whom is mother bringing dugdham, milk?
Uttamam.
Janani balakaya dugdham anayati. Mother is bringing milk for the boy.
Correct. Uttamam.
Balakan.
So the question form is kasmai.
Kasmai.
So when you expect an answer to the balakaya, ramaya question, or when you want to know for whom something was done, the question you have to ask is kasmai. Ranjani Mahoday.
Shabari kasmai phalam dadhati. Whom did Shabari give the fruit for? Like phalam is fruit. He gave the fruit or got the fruit for?
Dadati vartamana kalam.
Okay. Give the fruit, right? Give the fruit. Shabari ramaya phalam dadati. So Shabari.
Vartamana kalam only. We are doing only Vartamana kalam.
Yeah, give the fruit for Rama. Give the fruit for.
Yes, we haven't done Bhuta Kala. So stop thinking about Bhuta Kala. I don't know what's happening today. Everybody is talking Bhuta Kala. Maybe there is a Bhuta in the room here.
No, when it's coming for far, I think maybe it's.
So it's all light-hearted comment. Yeah. So everything is in Vartamana Kala. Prashant Mahodaya, last one.
Dhanikah kasmai narnakam yachati. For whom the rich person is giving the money. Dhanikah bhikshukai narnakam yachati. The rich person is giving money for the beggar.
Uttamam. Bhikshukaya.
Anu Mahodaya, I had a question. What is the difference between dadati and yachati?
No difference. They are synonyms of each other.
Maybe Banu Mahodaya, yachati is one who asks. For begging, we use yachati. To give normal giving for dadati.
No. You can say Shabari Ramaya Phalam Yachati. That would also be fine. They are synonyms. Samanarthaka Shabda Pada. There is nothing. It doesn't mean that it applies only to beggars or somebody who asks. It can be anybody. Shabari Ramaya Phalam Yachati. That is also correct.
Bhanumadai, yachati will change form as normal, not special, like yachati, yachanti, yachami, yachamaha.
Same.
Yachatu, that will be standard, so not dadati.
Not like dadati. Dadati is a Vishesha Kriya Padam. यच्छति, यच्छतः, यच्छन्ति, यच्छामि, यच्छामः। अस्तु, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? अस्तु, अग्रे सरामः। So now let us look at स्त्रीलिंग शब्द। रचना महोदय।
जनकः बालिकायै रुग्णकं क्रीणाति। सङ्गणकं। जनकः बालिकायै सङ्गणकं क्रीणाति।
जनकः बालिकायै सङ्गणकं क्रीणाति। Father
buys a computer for daughter.
For daughter.
Balikaya is for daughter.
Balika, balikayai. भवानी महोदय।
सखी महिलायै छत्रं यच्छति। Friend gives umbrella for woman.
So सखी महिलायै छत्रं यच्छति। महिला महिलायै, बालिका बालिकायै, महिला महिलायै। So Sri Vidya Mahoday, so look here, it is yachati, it's not for a beggar, it is applied for a normal between two friends. So yachati is the same as Sumitra Mahoday.
पुत्रः जनन्यै पुष्पं ददाति. The son gives a flower for mother.
पुत्रः जनन्यै पुष्पं ददाति। जननी जनन्यै, बालिका आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग, बालिका बालिकायै, महिला महिलायै, जननी ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग, जननी जनन्यै। मंजुला महोदय।
The third one or the last one, Mahodaya? I got disconnected in between.
No problem. Last one. Shivaha.
Shivaha Parvataihi Upadesham Dadati. Shiva gives Upadesha for Parvati.
Read this again, Mahodaya.
Parvatyai.
Parvatyai. Janani Jananyai, Parvati
Parvatyai.
Shiva gives Upadesha for Parvati.
Dadati.
Have you encountered Shiva giving Upadesha for Parvati in any of the shlokas that you have all been studying?
Ram Ram Rameti Rame Rame Sahasranama Tattullam Ramanama Varannani.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Parvati Vacha Kenopayena Laguna.
Kenopayena Laguna Viturnama Sahasrakam. Pattare Pandire Nityam Srodhamicham Prabhu.
Anantaram Shivaha Kim Vadati? Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam
Ramanama Varanani.
There is one there is a text which is a conversation between Shiva and Parvati. Shiva giving Upadesha to Parvati. It's called a Shiva Samhita.
There are actually many. Okay, I didn't know that. That is good to know. Even the entire Guru Upadesham, there are many shlokas. In every one, Parvati asks Shiva, and Shiva gives a reply.
Yeah, he's teaching some techniques also, no, to Parvati.
Shiva Samhita. This is Shiva Samhita.
Shiva Samhita. Of course, in real life, Parvati doesn't need any Upadesha from anybody. We have to substitute ourselves, put ourselves in the place of Parvati. That is how we have to interpret that.
We have to assume our Parvatis will listen. Balika Balikayai, Mahila Mahilayai,
जननी जनन्यै पार्वती पार्वत्यै। अस्तु। माधुरी महोदय।
भवान् भागिन्यै भागिन्यै पुष्पाणि क्रीणातु।
पुनः वदतु, प्लीज से इट अगेन।
भवान् भागिन्यै पुष्पाणि क्रीणातु।
It's a spelling mistake. Bhagini. It should be Bhagini.
Yes.
Bhaginyai. Bhavan Bhaginyai Pushpani Krinatu. Artha kaha? What is the meaning?
You give flowers for sister.
Krinatu. Krinatu. Buy. You buy flowers for sister. Satyam. Astu. Kavita Mahoday.
अग्रजः रुग्णायै उपहारं ददाति।
Upaharam is a gift, Mahoday.
Gift. अग्रजः देव्यै नैवेद्यम्
आभूषणम्।
अग्रजः
you can use
मालायै पुष्पाणि क्रीणाति। Sorry, sir.
No, don't worry. So Agrajaha, I was hoping Agrajaha and Bhagini, somebody will do it that way. You can reuse Bhagini again, no problem. Just because it has been used doesn't mean we can't. Try again, Mahoday. Savita Mahoday.
Agrajaha पत्न्यै आभूषणं यच्छति।
अस्तु। अग्रजः पत्न्यै आभूषणं यच्छति। Meaning?
Elder brother is giving jewels for wife.
Uttamam. Elder brother is giving jewelry for his wife. Uttamam. मीरा महोदय।
जननी मालायै उपहारं ददाति।
अर्थः कः?
Mother is giving gift for Mala.
Some girl named Mala. अस्तु। जननी मालायै उपहारं ददाति। अस्तु। नारायणन् महोदय।
वैद्यः रुग्णै औषधं यच्छति।
अत्र पश्यतु महोदय। बालिका बालिकायै, महिला महिलायै, रुग्णायै वैद्यः रुग्णायै
औषधं यच्छति।
अर्थः कः?
So the doctor gave medicine for the doctor gives medicine to the female patient.
Uttamam.
Because it can also rugna, otherwise it could have been rugnaya. It was only rugna, it could have been rugnaya.
If it was a male patient and rugnaha, it would be rugnaya. So
because it's a female patient. Rubnai.
I मास्तु यै
Rubnai.
अत्र पश्यतु बालिका बालिकायै महिला महिलायै रुग्णा रुग्णायै वैद्यः रुग्णायै औषधं यच्छति. The doctor gives, not Bhutakala gave, Vartamanakala gives medicine for the female patient. Astu. Shekhar Mahodaya, are you back? Astu. Sandeep Mahodaya, next one.
Vayam devyai naivedyam anayamah.
पुनः संपूर्णं वाक्यं.
वयं देव्यै नैवेद्यम् आनयामः.
वयं देव्यै नैवेद्यम् आनयामः. अर्थः कः?
We bring naivedyam for Devi.
We bring naivedyam for Devi. Uttama. Hemanti Mahodaya, last one.
Bhanuvaday, what is naivedyam?
Does anybody want to answer that?
Prasad.
Yeah, naivedyam, what does it mean? I don't know.
Offering.
Oh, what we offer to God.
Offering to God.
I think it's a special kind of offering containing.
Not like that. Anything can be naivedyam.
Mahodaya, what we offer to God is Naivedyam, and what we get after the puja is called Prasad.
What we offer to God,
Patram, Toyam, anything can be Naivedyam.
Correct. What we offer to God is Naivedyam. What we get from God is Prasada after the puja.
Okay. All right. Saha. Saha Devyai. No. Saha Bhaginyai Aushadam Yachati.
I think we have done that. We haven't done Agraja.
Agraja, okay. Saha Agrajayai. Saha Agrajayai Upharam Dadati.
That is done. Prasadam Dadati, Upaharam Dadati, anything. That is
right.
Right. Arthaha
Kaha. She is giving gift for elder sister.
Shiva.
Oh, Saha, I'm sorry. He is, sorry, Saha, yeah. So he is giving gift for elder sister.
Prashnaha santi va? Any questions?
How would we like when it was asked like Devi, how it would be written? Could you like can we see that again?
Janani Jananyai, Parvati Parvatyai, Janani Jananyai.
Okay, thank you.
Same way, just like we had Kasmai for Pumlinga, we have Kasyai for Strilinga. Did everybody get a chance? If you haven't got a chance, please speak up. I can't see everybody at once, so you speak up if you haven't got a chance. Bala Mahodaya. पठतु महोदय प्रथमं वाक्यं पठतु.
जनकः कस्यै सङ्गणकं क्रीणाति.
अर्थः कः?
जनकः बालिकायै सङ्गणकं क्रीणाति. The father is buying computer for the girl. Girl.
प्रश्नस्य अर्थः?
Janakaha is buying computer for whom?
For whom? Astu. Uttama. Uttama.
धन्यवाद.
Astu. If everybody got a chance, we will cycle again. If you haven't got a chance, speak up. I can't see everybody at once. Astu. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya.
सखी कस्यै छत्रं
यच्छति.
सभी महिलायै छत्रं यच्छति.
So the friend for whom he gives the umbrella, kasyai, for whom. We are using kasyai because we expect the answer to be strilinga. Sakhi mahilayai chatram yachati. Kasyai mahilayai. Look at the rhyming. Kasyai balikayai, kasyai mahilayai. Astu. Anupama Mahoday.
महोदय. पुत्रः कस्यै पुष्पं ददाति. पुत्रः जनन्यै पुष्पं ददाति.
अर्थः कः?
For whom is the son giving a flower? The son is giving flower to the mother. For the mother.
Kasyai jananyai. Astu. Rama Mahodaya, antimam vakyam pathatu.
Sorry, it was unmute. Shivaha kasyai upadesham dadati. Whom does Shiva give upadesham? Shivaha Parvati upadesham dadati. Shiva gives upadesham to Parvati.
For Parvati.
For Parvati.
Okay. Prashnaha santi va? Any questions? Astu. Now let us look at Napumsakalinga. As Sandeep Mahodaya reminded us, Napumsakalinga is exactly the same as Pumlinga in its form, except for Karta and Karma. So, Ramaha Ramaya, Yantram Yantraya. Usha Mahodaya.
Aham yantraya tailam anayami. I bring oil for the machine.
Aham yantraya tailam anayami. Yantram yantraya. Srividya Mahodaya.
Vayam jivanaya bhojanam kadamaha. We eat food for living.
Vayam jivanaya bhojanam. Jivanam jivanaya. Yantram yantraya jivanam jivanaya. So as you can see, it is the same, very similar to Punlinga. Rama, Ramaha Ramaya, Krishna Krishnaya. So Yantram yantraya jivanam jivanaya. Shekhar Mahodaya.
No, he's not there. He has sent a message. His connectivity is poor.
Astu. Meera Mahodaya.
Vayam jivana, bhaktaha achar archanaya mandiram gacchati. The devotee goes to the temple for archana.
Bhaktaha archanaya mandiram gacchati. Archanam archanaya. So yantram yantraya jivanam jivanaya archanam archanaya. Astu. Narayanan Mahodaya. Narayanan Mahodaya, अस्ति वा?
अस्ति अस्ति. संस्कृतस्य अध्ययनम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः.
So adhyayanam becomes
अध्ययनं becomes
अध्ययनाय. यन्त्रं यन्त्राय, जीवनं जीवनाय, अर्चनम् अर्चनाय, अध्ययनम् अध्ययनाय. पुनः
संस्कृतस्य अध्ययनाय अभ्यासं कुर्मः.
अर्थः कः? मीनिंग?
practice abhyasam kurmaha is to practice. Adhyayanaya for study in Sanskrit.
In of Sanskrit.
Sanskritasya of Sanskrit.
अस्तु. विराज महोदय.
Aham is used, so should be gachami. Okay. Aham adhyayanaya granthalayam gachami. I go for library to study or jnanarjanam, so to enhance my knowledge.
Not for library, to the library for adhyayanam.
Yeah, correct.
Aham adhyayanaya granthalayam gachami. I, for the sake of adhyayanam, go to the library or going to the library. Either one.
What is adhyayanam? Sorry.
Who wants to answer adhyayanam?
Study.
Just study.
Learning.
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 Okay, then you.
Bhavani Mahoday, I just saw your hand raised. I can't see everybody, Mahoday. If you want to ask a question, please just unmute yourself and ask. Don't worry about it. Pruchhatu, what is your question, Mahoday? Please unmute yourself and ask. I can't hear you.
Yeah, I did not raise my hand.
Oh.
Mahodaya, yeah. Thank you.
Astu. Chaitra Mahoday.
अर्जुनः युद्धाय निश्चयं करोति. Arjuna, so युद्धाय for a war. निश्चयं करोति decides.
Makes a decision or decides.
Makes a decision. So Arjuna makes decision for a war.
For going to war. Astu. Samyak.
Can I try, Mahoday?
Who is that?
Sukanya.
Astu. Ekam nimisham Mahoday. Next one. Astu. Prayatnam karotu. Try.
Bhavati आरोग्याय व्यायामं करोतु.
So Agnya Prarthana form. So whenever you see Bhavan or Bhavati, your Kriya will end in tu or antu. Tu. Karotu.
Karotu. Yeah. So Bhavati Arogyam is exercise for the body. For the body, Vyayam Karotu, exercise for the body. So you Bhavati is you or
you.
Bhavati you are doing exercise for the body.
Arogyam is health.
Arogyam is health.
Bhavati arogyaya vyayamam karotu. You, not you are doing, you do. You are giving, you are telling some woman, you do it. For your health, you do the exercise. You better do exercise.
Okay.
You are giving an order or you are making a request, depending on your relationship to that other person.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Sandeep Mahodaya.
Mahodaya?
Pruchatu Vijay Sundar Mahodaya.
Vyayanam or Vyayamam?
Vyayamam, exercise. Vyayamam. Sandeep Mahodaya.
Vyayamashala.
Vyayamashala, gym.
Gym.
Padatu Sandeep Mahodaya.
शरीरस्य शरीरस्य वर्धनाय व्यायामं करोतु.
शरीरस्य वर्धनाय व्यायामं करोतु. Or we haven't used this one. Vyayamam is already done.
So I was trying to link what with bodies okay. Sharirasya jnana arjanaya vidyalaya gacchatu.
Okay.
For the knowledge of the body, go to school.
Bhavati jnanarjanaya vidyalayam gacchatu. That would have been a better sentence. It was used. Okay. Sharirasya vardhanaya vidyalayam gacchatu. For the growth of your body, go to the school. Okay. Let's assume it's a gym school. A school where they train you to do exercise.
Yoga school.
Yoga.
Vardhanaya is growth.
Vardhanaya for growth.
For
Ranjini Mahodaya, last one.
Vishnuhu dharma samstapa Vishnuhu dharma samstapanaya Maya yuge yuge sambhavati.
Uttamam. Vishnuhu dharma samsthapanaya yuge yuge sambhavati. Arthaha kaha?
Vishnu. I remember the shloka dharma samsthapanaya sambhavani yuge yuge. So I
modified that shloka only to suit our purpose.
Okay. So yuge yuge is for so many years, right? So
in yuge, in yuga.
In yuga, okay. Dharma, like for dharma.
For establishing dharma.
For establishing dharma, okay. Establishing dharma. Vishnu for establishing dharma.
Sambhavati.
Sambhavati.
He takes form.
He takes form. Sambhavati. He takes form to establish dharma year after year. Not year. Yuga is what?
In every yuga. In every yuga.
In every yuga.
Vishnuhu dharma samsthapanaya yuge yuge sambhavati. Vishnu takes form in every yuga for establishing dharma.
Bhanu Mahodaya, what is Sambhavati means possible? Well, I'm just trying to get the meaning of the word. As a shloka.
Sambhavati appears.
Sambhav is appear.
Take form.
Takes form.
Bhavati means to exist.
Okay.
So he exists, or he comes, or he takes form in every age.
Confused between Marathi and Sanskrit.
Yes, Sambhav in Marathi is like possible.
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
In Sanskrit also, Sambhavaha, that is different. Sambhavaha.
Dhanyawad.
Bhanu Mahadaya,
Hmm.
Srividya here. Yeah, the first sentence use it was Sanskritasya Adhyayanaya Abhyasam Kurma. It was that one, but Aham Jnanarjanaya Abhyasam Kurma should be good, isn't it?
Yeah. So in first sentence, if aham is missing, aham is implied. If you are using kurma, oh no, you are correct. It should be karomi.
Yeah, that was not. Yeah.
It should be vayam. It should be vayam, or this should be karomi. Astu, samyak. That's a typing mistake. Uttamam.
Karomi.
Same way, kasmai, we saw this for Pumlinga, so Napumsakalinga is also kasmai. Aham kasmai tailam anayami. For whom am I bringing oil? I am bringing oil for the yantraya. Vayam kasmai bhojanam kadamaha. For what are we eating food? For jivanaya, for living. Bhaktaha kasmai mandiram gacchati. For what is the bhakta going to the temple? For archana, for archanaya. Astu, let's do the exercise. Bhavani Mahoday.
Sri Krishna teaches Bhagavad Gita for Arjuna. Sri Krishna teaches his Patayati Bhagavad Gita for Arjuna is Arjunaya. Sri Krishna Arjunaya Bhagavad Gita Patayati.
Bhagavad Gitam Patayati. Sri Krishna Arjunaya Bhagavad Gitam Patayati. Karma. What is it teaching? Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gitam.
Okay.
Sumitra Mahoday.
Varunaha Gandhi Arjunaya Gandivam dadati. Gandivam, sorry. Varunaha Arjunaya Gandivam dadati.
That's a famous bow, Gandiva. So Varunaha Arjunaya Gandivam dadati.
Gandivam.
Bala Mahoday.
Please keep water for the bird in the summer. So this will be, please, Kripaya, keep water, Jalam Dadatu, for the bird, Pakshaya.
That's a Nakaranta. No, that's a Nakaranta Shabda. We didn't learn it. Let us use Vihagaha.
Sorry?
Vihagaha. Akaranta Shabda.
Vihajaha.
Vihaga.
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 That is female or male?
Akaranta Pumlinga Shabda. Vihagaha.
Okay. Vihagam.
Arjunaya, Pumlinga.
Vihagaya.
Vihagaya.
In the summer. So it will be Ushna Kale.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Sampurna Vakyam.
Kripaya Vihagaya Ushna Kale Jalam Dadatu.
Uttamam. Kripaya Grishma Kale Vihagaya Jalam Sthapayatu. So I hope everybody is doing it. It's becoming very hot. So please give some water to birds. Keep some shallow vessel somewhere in your house for birds, cats, dogs. Of course, don't forget human beings. Astu. Kavita Mahoday.
What is Arghya, sir?
Arghya, who wants to say Arghya?
Sir?
The water we offer in the morning to Surya at sunrise.
Did you hear that, Mahoday?
Suryaya Pratah Kale Suryaya Arghya Dadatu.
Arghyam Dadatu.
Arghyam Dadatu.
Why is it two Surya here? For, no?
For only. For. Pratah Kale Suryaya Arghyam Dadatu.
Arghyam Dadatu.
See, Arghya, it won't be Arghya because it's a karma pada. What are we giving? What are we saying? Give, right? Arghya. So, give Arghya. So, karma pada will take the form. Arghyam. Pratah Kale Suryaya Arghyam Dadatu.
The typing mistake in the Arghyam, it seems like Da.
No. Arghyam. Okay. I think it's a font. I will check. I think it's a font thing.
Okay. It seems like Da.
Okay.
Okay.
Astu. Did everybody get a chance? Did I miss anybody?
No, I didn't get.
I didn't get.
Vijay.
Even.
I didn't.
Okay. Vijay Meenan, Mahodaya. Who else?
Reena, me. Sukanya.
Sukanya and Manjula Mahodaya. Astu.
Prashant.
Okay. Sorry, I missed all of you. I will remember. Vijay Meenan Mahodaya.
Okay. I buy cloth for the curtain. Aham buy.
Krina.
Krina. Okay. Aham. Too many words. I don't know. Buy cloth.
No. Okay. Simple. Aham. So Krina. What will be the ending? Krinati, Krinami, Krinamaha, Krinatu. What will?
No, this is I. So Krinami.
Only Vijay Meenan Mahodaya speak. Rest of you please.
So aham Krinami. Cloth is
curtain. We saw curtain. Do you remember? Javanika.
Okay. Javanikaya. Sorry, Javanika. Javanikaya.
Malayai.
Malayai. Okay. Javanikayai. So aham Javanikayai.
Kimapi Krinami. It doesn't matter.
Krinami.
Krinami. Vastram Krinami.
Oh, Vastram. Sorry.
The main point is for the curtain, for Javanika, Javanikayai.
Okay.
Aham Javanikayai Vastram Krinami. Astu. Sukanya Mahodaya.
Anjaneya gives Rama's ring for Sita.
Sukanya Mahodaya, I cannot hear you.
Yes, Mahodaya. Anjaneya gives Rama's ring for Sita. Anjaneya Ramasya ring is
Angulika. Angulika.
Angulika. Angulikaye.
No, for Sita. For Sita. Sita. Mala, Malayai. Sita.
Sitaye. So, Anjaneya. Angulika. Sita Ramasyas Angulika Sitaye dadati.
Uttama. Anjaneyah Sitayai Angulika.
Ramasya Angulika.
Dadati. Anguliyakam dadati. Astu. Manjula Mahoday.
He brings sweets for his wife. Sweets.
Madhurani.
Madhurani.
So, for his wife, let us say for wife. Patni.
Patneihi.
Why I?
Patni, Patneihi. Mahila, Mahilayai.
Mahila is akaran. Mahilayai. Patni, Patnyai.
Yeah, that's what I said. Patnei.
You said Visarga.
Patneihi, I said Patneihi.
It's only Patnyai, no Visarga.
Patnei. Patnei, bring sweets.
Anayati. Madhurani Anayati. Try Mahoday. Prayatnam karotu. He is Saha.
Saha.
Brings.
Saha Anayati.
Anayati. Which is Madhurani.
Madhuram.
Madhurani. Astu. That doesn't matter. For wife, that is more important here. Patni.
Patnei, no?
Patni. So, full sentence, Sampurna Vakyam.
Saha Patnei Madhurani or Madhuram.
Madhuram is also fine.
Anayati.
Astu, Uttam. Saha Patni Madhurani.
Oh my God.
Awesome. No, you did correct only. Don't beat yourself up. You did everything yourself.
Thank you.
Prashant Mahoday.
Bhima brings Saugandhika flowers for Draupadi. Bhima
flowers. Let's just say flowers. Let's ignore this word. Let's say Bhima brings flowers for Draupadi.
Draupadi brings Anyati and Bhima Anyati Draupadi and flowers I don't remember.
Pushpam is flower.
Pushpam.
Bahuvachanam flower.
Pushpani.
Sampurnam Vakyam. Full sentence.
Bhima Pushpani Draupadi Anyati.
Not Bhima, Bhimaha. Bhimaha Draupadyai Pushpani Anayati. Astu, Samyak. Reena Mahoday.
You give water for the plants. For the plants.
Sasyam. Plant is Sasyam.
Sasyam.
Yantram Yantraya. Sasyam. Sasyaya.
Vayam.
No, you.
No,
so
you.
Bhavan or Bhavati?
Bhavati जलं भवति सस्याय जलं ददाति
ददातु भवान् or bhavati you give, right? So it is
ददातु
tu, will end in tu. भवती सस्याय जलं ददातु.
भवति सस्याय
अस्तु. Who has not got a chance?
Me Mahodaya, Anupama.
वदतु महोदय.
He does yoga for health. सः आरोग्याय योगा करोतु.
करोतु वा? वै करोतु. सः
करोतु. सः
करोति.
करोति. Yes.
सम्पूर्णं वाक्यं.
सः आरोग्याय योगां करोति.
सः आरोग्याय योगासनं करोति. योगां करोति. योगां करोति is also fine. अस्तु. Anybody hasn't got a chance, please speak up. Otherwise, we'll cycle again.
Anu Mohodaya.
वदतु महोदय.
Even we haven't got.
वदतु. प्रयत्नं करोतु. मीरा महोदय.
The patient goes to the hospital for medicine. Rugnaha. Gachati is goes. So Rugnaha gachati to the hospital. So it is what is hospital?
Chikitsalayam. Let us say
Chikitsalayam gachati. Saha chikitsalayam gachati for medicine. Aushadaya. So saha aushadaya chikitsalayam gachati.
Uttamam. Saha aushadaya chikitsalayam gachati. So I hope everybody caught the process through which Meera Mahodaya went. So she first identified the karta. Saha rugnaha. So she said rugnaha. So she immediately said gachati. She immediately identified the kriya pada. That way you will not make a mistake. So it's rugnaha. So it cannot be gachatu. It cannot be gachami, gachamaha and all of that. It has to be gachati. Then she said for medicine, aushadaya. Remaining thing she converted to the hospital, chikitsalayam gachati. So first identify karta, immediately identify the kriya, then add the rest of the thing. That way you will not make a mistake. Narayanan Mahoday.
We give donations for the temple. We Vayam give Dadamaha.
Dadmaha.
Dadmaha, correct. Special form. Vayam Dadmaha Devalayam. For the temple. Okay. Devalayaya. Devalayaya Dhanam. Okay. Vayam Devalayaya Dhanam Dadmaha.
Uttamam. Vayam Devalayaya Mandiraya Dakshinam Dadmaha. Dakshinam Dadmaha. Dhanam Dadmaha.
And Bhanu Mahoday, then the government takes the money.
Of course, of course. That's a sad thing. That's a sad reality we are living in. Astu. Who didn't get a chance to do the Subhashita so far?
Me, Reena.
Patatu. Prathamam vakyam patatu. First sentence.
Yes. Vidya Vivadaya Dhanam Madaya Shakti Parisha Paripidanaya.
Vidya Vivadaya Dhanam Madaya Shakti Paresham Paripidhanaya.
It should be 1 minute. It should be Parapidanaya, no?
No, Paripidhanaya only. I checked. It is correct.
Okay.
Madhuri Mahole. Dvitiyam Vakyam.
खलस्य साधोः विपरीतमेतद् ज्ञानाय दानाय च रक्षणाय.
खलस्य साधोः विपरीतमेतद् ज्ञानाय दानाय च रक्षणाय. अस्तु, let us try to find the meaning. Reena Mahode. Vidya.
What we say? Study?
Knowledge. Study.
Knowledge, yes.
Vivadaya. What is Vivadam?
Is it argument? No, samvad. Yeah.
Vivad, argument.
Argument.
So Vivadaya means?
For argument.
For argument. Dhanam.
Money.
Madaya. Madam. Does anybody know what madam is?
मतलब intoxication or joy.
Intoxication or arrogance. You can say arrogance here. Astu. Shaktihi. Reena Mahode.
Strength.
Strength. Paresham. Paraha. So this is from Paraha. Paresham is for others. Sorry, of others. Bahuvachana.
Of others.
Of others.
Okay. Paripidanaya.
Pida. Okay, let's ignore Pari. Pidana. What is Pidana?
Suffering.
Suffering.
Yes, suffering.
So Pidanaya means
to harm.
Harm also. Pidanaya will be
suffering.
For suffering.
For suffering.
Harm.
So somebody, I think Ramu Mahodaya or somebody said, is it Parapidanaya or Paripidanaya? So Paripidanaya is an extreme form of Pidana. So we already have Paresham, of others. So this is not Parapidanaya, Paripidanaya. Astu, Madhuri Mahode, let's try to solve the second line.
Khala is something bad.
Who wants to say who Khala is? Who is a Khala? What kind of a person is a Khala?
Good person.
Evil person, bad person. Khalasya. So Khalasya will be?
Of bad person.
Of. Sadhu. Sadhu. Who is a sadhu? A sadhu.
Is a good person.
Good person. We didn't see this form yet. Sadhu means of a good person. Viparitam etat. Viparitam is?
Viparit is
difference.
Different. Opposite. Etat.
But Viparit, we say Viparit Buddhi also somewhere, no? So that is something different, I think so.
Vinashakale Viparita Buddhi.
Buddhi.
That is excess. That is also one more meaning. Here Viparita is used as opposite. Etat. What is etat, Madhuri Mahode?
Don't know.
This. Tat etat.
Okay, etat.
Etat. Astu. Jnanaya.
For knowledge.
Danaya.
For donation. And for protection.
So who wants to, now that we know the meanings of all the words, who wants to attempt the meaning of this Subhashitam?
Can I try?
Try. Prayatnam karotu.
A bad person uses his knowledge for arguments. For madaya, for not for
Madaya,
arguments.
Madaya we said for arrogance.
Arrogant. Okay. For useless no arguments.
Yeah. So a bad
Mada,
person. So he uses vidya for
argument.
For argument.
Yeah,
Dhanam.
For his own.
For arrogance.
Actually, egoistic action.
Okay.
Paresham Paripidanaya is his Paresham, his power
of others.
His power for harming others. Paripidanaya.
Paripidanaya. So a bad person uses his knowledge for arguments, wealth for being so arrogant. So we know people who are arrogant just because of wealth, and he misuses his strength. He tortures others. He harms others. And then
Khalasya sadhoho. Khalasya, like a bad person. Sadhoho viparita. So sadhu, the good person uses for bad person.
Okay, let me help you here. So the way to read this is Khalasya sadhoho viparitam etat. Of a bad person, of a sadhu, this is the difference, or this is the opposite.
Oh, this is the opposite. Okay, sadhu. Difference between a good person and he uses his knowledge for wealth, for power, and for protection.
Not for wealth, for dana.
For giving. For
giving. So Khalasya sadhoho viparitam etat. The difference of a bad person and a good person is this. Vidya vivadaya. The bad person uses.
Bad person does the first line, and the second person does the second line.
So the bad person uses his knowledge for arguments, his money for his knowledge for getting into arguments, his money for being egoistic, for being arrogant, his strength for torturing others or harming others, whereas the sadhu person uses the same things: vidya for jnanam, dhanam for dhanam, and shakti for protecting others.
The Kalasya sadhu, in fact, there is should be another meaning. Kalasya, the sadhus in the Kali Yuga use their knowledge, their dana, their shakti, etc. for the dana, rakshana, jnana, etc. Kalasya means of Kali. Sadhus of the Kali Yuga.
This is kha, gagha. Kali Yuga, it will be small ka. Alpa
Okay.
okay.
So this ka means.
Is like the Khalnaik, no? Khalnaik, we say Khalnaik. So bad.
Okay.
A bad person, evil person.
Okay.
Some. Astu. Any doubts on this?
Sandhi form, Mahodaya?
Sorry.
Kim etat Mahodaya?
Shamatam. Kalasya sadhoho is Sandhi form, va?
Sadhoho is sadhoho. Just like Kalasya, Kalaha, Kalasya, sadhoho. Of sadhu. Sandhi, atta Sandhi.
There is no Sandhi.
Banu
There
Mahodaya,
is.
Vidya and Jnanam. Vidya is education and Jnanam is knowledge, is it?
Correct.
Okay.
There is another Subhashitam like this, Mahodaya. Vidya Vinaya Sampanni. Vidya Vinaya Sampanni.
That is Bhagavad Gita's shloka. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmana Gavi Astini. Shuni Chaiva Shvapakecha. Something like that.
Pandita Samadarshinaha. Shuni Chaiva Shvapakecha Pandita Samadarshinaha.
Yeah. Samadarshinaha. A Samadarshi will have all this.
So,
Bhanu Mahodaya, this Kalasya should have come to the first line, right?
Kalasya sadhoho viparitam etat. So the difference of the opposite of a bad person and a good person is as follows.
Jnanaya Danaya Charaksha. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Samayah abhavat atra thagayamaha. Let us stop here. Vijay Sundara Mahodaya, you want to do the Mangala Shloka? Purnamada Purnamida. Everybody else, please mute yourself. Please unmute yourself, Vijay Sundara Mahodaya.
Purnamada Purnamidam Purnasya Purnamuddasyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnameva Vishishyate.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyawad.